Work is underway in Americus for the new Phoebe Sumter Hospital. The groundbreaking for the project was in November, but today the heavy equipment started clearing the land to begin construction. Phoebe Sumter Hospital will be off Highway 280 and house a 4-story, 76-bed facility with a medical office building.
Today, we're having our full construction crew come in. They've done the infrastructure, and right now it's time to move some earth, so we're very excited.
The plan is to have the support buildings open by the end of this year, and the new hospital is slated for operation by the end of 2011.
Good evening, I'm John Beard.
And I'm Sonia Walls. Welcome to the 6 o'clock report. Tonight's big story, an event worthy of bringing out a president. Construction on the long-awaited Phoebe Sumter Medical Center is underway. Former President Jimmy Carter spoke at the groundbreaking ceremony today. The medical village will feature a 4-story hospital with about 75 beds. The area will also feature a running and walking track.
This is a critical first step in launching a new medical facility that is so needed for this region. We were devastated in March of 2007, and our medical community has done great with the resources they've had, but this spells a new beginning.
And 3 freestanding office buildings will house oncology, surgery, women and children's services, wellness, and also orthopedics. Medical offices will go up first. The new hospital should be completed in mid-2011.
An important milestone reached today for the staff of the Phoebe Sumter Medical Center. Officials broke ground today on construction of the new hospital. The old Sumter Regional Hospital was destroyed by a tornado in March 2007. The newly named hospital will be built on Highway 280 in Americus. Among those holding a shovel, former President Jimmy Carter.
Well, symbolically, this is both the recognition of an achievement that's already been reached. That is full agreement between the Phoebe Putney people and the folks in Sumter County. And I think it's also the initiation of what I believe will be one of the finest medical facilities in the whole state of Georgia, perhaps the nation.
A medical village will be constructed on the 40-acre site featuring a 4-story, 76-bed hospital. The medical office buildings will be built first to provide access to physicians. The new hospital will be completed in mid-2011.
Americus makes way for a new hospital 2 years after a devastating tornado destroyed the Sumter Regional County Hospital. A groundbreaking ceremony was held today on Highway 280 and 19, the location of the new 280-acre site. The 4-story, 76-bed hospital will adjourn a medical office building. Former President Jimmy Carter was on hand for the groundbreaking of the new Phoebe Sumter Hospital.
Since the horrible tragedy of a tornado, into a spirit of mutual trust between the folks at Phoebe Putney and Americus, and in Albany, and the folks here in Sumter County and Plains, Americus.
Interim CEO Keith Peterson was officially named CEO of the new hospital. Construction is set to begin immediately. It is slated to be completed by the fall of 2011.
In tonight's Health Watch report, it was a big day for the medical community in Americus.
2 years after a tornado destroyed Sumter Regional, hospital officials held a groundbreaking ceremony for a brand new facility. The new Phoebe Sumter Hospital off Highway 280 will be a 4-story, 76-bed facility with a medical office building. Former President Jimmy Carter was on hand for that occasion.
Since the horrible tragedy of a tornado, into a spirit of mutual trust between the folks at Phoebe Putney and Americus, and in Albany, and the folks here in Sumter County and Plains, Americus.
Interim CEO Keith Peterson was officially named CEO of the new hospital. Construction is set to begin immediately, and the building is slated to be complete by the fall of 2011.